So that was the D-Day experience at Dead Man's Corner. So I had a little read up about the story behind Dead Man's Corner, and what it was there was a tank which they've pretty much put at the start of the house in the same location, and the tank was attacked. And after it being attacked, the crew were incinerated inside the tank. And the tank's commander it obviously tried to escape from the tank and was killed, and was left hanging out of the tank. And his body remained there for, I think they said it was 3 days. And the local soldiers nicknamed it the Dead Man's Corner. So it was a point of reference. However, that was then shortened to Dead Man's Corner, and that was where the house was. Again, really interesting place to come and visit. Well worth it. And it's been so good being able to visit D-Day. That's the tank there. That's pretty much the location where it took place. So we are now on our way to Utah Beach. It's only a 13-minute ride away, nice and close. So Omaha Beach, we will hopefully be going to Omaha Beach tomorrow. However, that's a half an hour ride away. Utah Beach is 15 minutes. So we're going to go do that first. Get Omaha Beach done tomorrow. Because what's the time now? It's 5 o'clock, so we want to be able to get some food very shortly, get your dinner, get sorted. I know this only happens once every 10 years, you get a 10th anniversary, but for D-Day 90, you've got to come over to France. It is going to be such an experience for you. And D-Day 100, wow, that is going to be something else to experience. Wow, I'll be 57. I'll be 57 D-Day 100. That's scary. That's really scary. So, here we go. Utah Beach. Just as the rain comes down. Hopefully it passes over us and we don't actually end up with too much of a disruption. Yeah, we get the bikes right down the front. Looks like it's a very impressive site here. Yeah, let's just stick all the bikes. So we've made it to Omaha Beach. The weather has stayed nice and dry for us. It was drizzling a little bit, as you saw. We've taken the slightly informal way to get to the beach. Just over here is obviously the visitor centre. There's a bunker. There's a bunker in the background just over there that we're going to visit in a second. But this is going to be the entrance to Omaha Beach. Spin you around and let you join the journey with me. And there we go, Omaha Beach. I don't know really what you're going to be expecting, to be honest. It's kind of, obviously you see things in the movies, but then when you come here, I mean, what was I expecting? To see big anti-tank barricades the whole way along the beach? It's quite a vast open beach. Be lovely in the summertime. Oh wait, it is the summertime. yeah, really, it's so strange being here. I know it sounds like I'm putting it all on for the camera, but no, it is really weird. Obviously, we've all grown up learning about World War One, World War Two, and then to actually come and visit some of the places where the battle took place, it is very, very surreal. Just looking around and looking back at the harbour, just looking around and standing on the water's edge, a little behind you and in front of you. I think loads of people landing on the beach here and making their way up. It's crazy, absolutely crazy. Good place to see if my boots are still waterproof. I hope they are, because these are one of the best boots I've ever owned. If they're not waterproof, I'll be pretty angry still, because they have been great, these TCX Baja boots. But yeah, cracking beach. Nice and calm, obviously calm now. Let's head off in this direction, have a look at the visitor centre, see what we've got over there. So we've got this memorial here, which says, in honour of the first combatants of Operation Neptune, Utah Beach 606-44, including PO-1C Angels Charters, a US Naval Combat Demolition Unit, Frogman. 6 sailors gave their lives and 11 were wounded in support of clearing beach obstacles for the US Army's 4th Infantry Division. And actually looking along the beach, don't know if it's like original or not, but there's a lot of barbed wire reels along, right in front of me, but all along the beach. There's a big section over there I'll actually go over to and have a quick look at. It might be original, might not be. So it may be original barbed wire, it may not be. It's there is a lot of it around here. It depends if it's to keep the sand dunes protected or if it is actually barbed wire from the war. I mean, that's all fresh silver. It's actually really small when you look at it from the back here. There's not a lot of space at all. You think it'd be crammed full of soldiers. Really, really impressive. So good they've actually put all this here. I mean, it'd be silly not to, because it is obviously a big part of history. But yeah, crazy. So we found a bunker in the middle of a field just behind Utah Beach. So what we'll do, let's have a quick look. There's a door open. So let's have a look. There we go. Ow. Oh really? So unfortunately it is very, very deep with water here. However, let's see if we can go through and see absolutely nothing because it's pitch black. Pitch black. So that is Utah Beach done. We're going to head back to the bikes now, get kitted up, and we will probably go to a shop if we can find a shop in France. That's the only thing I don't like about France. You can't get convenient shops everywhere like you can in the UK. But yeah, we'll head back to the room for the night now, recharge our batteries, pack up, ready to go home tomorrow. We'll get back out and we'll go to, I think we're going to try Omaha Beach tomorrow. It's a lot of it has been locked down because of D-Day. coming up next week. But other than that, it should be a good experience tomorrow, and then back to the ferry port for about 3:30 to sail into Portsmouth this time, not Dover. It's going to be a lot easier to get back to the coast. So yeah, catch you on the next one.